In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email in Zoho CRM. Connecting your email to Zoho CRM is a really important step if you want all your conversations with leads and customers to be tracked in one place. Once this is set up, you'll be able to send and receive emails right inside Zoho and have those messages automatically linked to the right contacts and deals. Let's start from inside your Zoho CRM account. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and find the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Go ahead and click that. This will open the main setup area, where you can configure all kinds of features for your CRM. On the left side, or sometimes in the main setup page depending on your layout, you'll see a section called Channels. Under Channels, look for Email, and then click on Email Configuration. This is the place where Zoho manages all email-related connections for your account. Inside the email configuration page, you'll either see a Get Started button if you haven't added any email accounts yet, or an option like Add New Email Address if you already have something connected. Click whichever one is visible to begin the setup process. Next, Zoho will ask you to choose your email provider. You'll see common options like Gmail, Outlook, or Office 365, as well as an option called Other Mail. If your email is hosted somewhere else, choose Other Mail so you can enter the details manually. Pick the provider that matches the account you want to connect. After that, you'll choose the protocol for your email. Here, you'll usually see IMAP and POP. IMAP is recommended because it keeps your email in sync across devices and with your Zoho CRM, so most users should select IMAP. POP is more old-fashioned and typically downloads mail to one place, so only use that if you know you specifically need it. Once you've chosen a protocol, Zoho will guide you through authentication. This usually means signing in to your email account in a pop-up window and granting Zoho CRM permission to access your mailbox. Take a moment to review what you're allowing, then confirm to continue. You'll then see options to set permissions and sharing. Here, you can decide whether emails are private to you or visible to your team, and you can choose to exclude certain domains, such as internal company emails, from being logged in the CRM. Adjust these settings to match your organization's privacy and collaboration needs. When everything looks good, scroll down and click Save or Create to finalize the connection. Zoho CRM will verify the information and, once it's done, your email account will be successfully added and ready to use.